So can you set up your Galaxy Watch 7 without any Android phone or without the wearable app? Yes, you can. Let's go ahead and find out how it's done. So whether you have reset it or just bought it, after turning it on, make sure it's on setup mode. So first just select your language, then region, and then press restart. It'll restart into pairing mode. So all you gotta do is just press and hold over this wireless logo for more than 3 seconds. This is kinda tricky. You might need to release and try to press and hold it for a few times. And when it shows restarting, that means your work is done. And then just wait for a while when the watch starts in its functional mode. Now you can use the watch separately without any phone. You can also connect it to Wi-Fi, but some basic functions will be unavailable when you set it up separately. Like you cannot use Play Store, or you can use the Samsung Health, because to use that function, you need to connect or sync it to an Android device. And also, it might show wrong date and time, but it's your call because whatever the reason you have set up your Watch 7 separately, we respect your decision. And that's why it's done. Thanks for watching.